Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, fellow Chiefs, to your essential guide for playing Clash of Clans on your iPad in 2025. The iPad provides an incredible platform for this strategic masterpiece, giving you a wider view of the battlefield and more precise control. Its touch controls are incredibly precise, making troop deployment and spell casting feel intuitive and natural. You'll truly appreciate the immersive experience of building and battling on the big screen. Get ready to master your village with the best possible setup. Starting your Clash journey on iPad is super simple. Begin by checking that your iPad software is completely up to date. This ensures the best compatibility and performance. Then, head straight to the App Store and type Clash of Clans into the search bar. Once you find the official game, just tap the Get button or the cloud icon to download it. It will install automatically, getting you ready to play in no time. After installing, the game will ask you about connecting a Supercell ID. This step is crucial, as it keeps your village safe and lets you play on different devices. If you already have a Supercell ID from another device, simply log in to retrieve your existing village. New players can easily create a free ID right there in the game, ensuring your progress is always backed up and secure. To make your Clash of Clans experience even better on iPad, explore the in-game settings. You can tweak graphic quality to find a perfect balance between stunning visuals and smooth performance, even conserving battery life. For moments waiting for troops, take advantage of iPad's multitasking features like split view to browse or chat simultaneously. A good Bluetooth headset can also really enhance your audio, giving you an edge in critical moments. As Clash of Clans continues to evolve, staying updated is absolutely key. Always download the latest game updates to enjoy new troops, spells, and events as soon as they drop. Following official Clash of Clans channels on social media will also keep you informed about what's coming next. Engaging with the global community is a fantastic way to learn advanced strategies, find clan mates, and truly make the most of your Clash adventure on iPad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.